Welcome back to Cooking with Bruce. Today we're gonna do something really cool. Fried rice. People are saving things up, you're cooking at home, there's lots of leftovers in the fridge. What do you do with some of these leftovers? You can make fried rice easily. Now, making fried rice is more of a technique thing. It's gonna be using just a couple of ingredients. You're gonna have day-old rice. Now, you wanna make sure you let it sit overnight in your refrigerator. It gets a little bit dry. We have a pound of mushrooms. We have 10 eggs, this could be a dozen eggs, whatever. 9 cloves of garlic and 2 serranos. 4 green onions. This is a half of a large white onion. And I think this is like sirloin tip meat, like 4 pounds of sirloin tip meat. Now what we're gonna do is cook all this stuff individually and put it to the side, and then we start frying some rice, and then start incorporating all the ingredients into the fried rice. Cannot wait to show you how easy this is to do and how to make some delicious fried rice in just a little bit of time. Everything needs to be cooked separately first. We're gonna put it into a bowl. We're gonna start off with the eggs. So we're gonna put a good amount of oil in here. Oh, we have a hot wok. So whenever you're doing a wok, you want to use really high heat. Always moving things, always moving things. All right, time to dump the eggs. Add oil, and now we're gonna fry some onions. So now we got some color in the onions. We're gonna add 9 cloves of garlic that's chopped up and 2 serranos. With serranos, garlic, onions, it's starting to smell good. We cook this for about a minute. So we have our serranos, our garlic, our onions, and eggs. Next up, a pound of mushrooms. And just cook these guys down. I'm going to call an audible on this one. We're going to add some chicken stock to this. We're going to put in about 8 cubes of chicken stock. Flavorful, tasty mushrooms ever made in the history of mankind. That chicken stock boils down. That is good stuff. That is good stuff. And is like so worth it. All right, so the mushrooms are cooked down now, and these are like little pieces of feta. So this is gonna go straight into this amazing stir-fried rice. Okay, up we go. Into the party. Last but not least, we've got beef. Now this is a pretty good chunk of beef, so we're gonna do it half. Salt, fresh black pepper. Now again, this could be any protein source. It doesn't matter. But this is just the protein that we're going to use today. This is a technique. We're going to transfer round 1 of beef into the pot. Add some oil. Round 2. Remember, day-old rice. Cook the rice ahead of time. This is probably about 5-6 cups of basmati rice. Again, you don't have to measure this stuff. Just throw it in there and get it rocking. Now to do fried rice, I have a little special tool. And I have this helps to break up the rice. We get all this rice coated up. So this is all broken up now. I can smell the fragrance of the rice. So we have everything incorporated. Now we need to season this stuff. A quarter cup of hoisin. Quarter cup soy sauce. Pour over the rice. Got some green onions. You can regrow these things. Put this into a bowl, let it sit, and it'll just start growing onions for you all the time. Just chop them off and throw in fried rice. All right, so this is all incorporated and done. Everything's all mixed up. What we're gonna do now is put it in a bowl and see how it tastes. All right, so fried rice, remember, can be made in any way. You just have to have day-old rice fried up with anything you got in your fridge. Now let's try this, though. It's not hard to do. A great way to use anything you have in your fridge. In this case, we're using a couple new things, but having this in your arsenal to cook on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, quick, easy, delicious, and feeds the family. Good cooking with Bruce. Guys, you know what you say? Got the next show. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. And while you're at it, subscribe. It's a little bit dry.
Dry. Pretty dry fried rice. Or fried.
Dry.
You know.